Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get approved in Raya. First, it's important to know that Raya is very selective. There is no guarantee way to get approved, but the steps can help. Go to the App Store, download the Raya app and tap Apply. Enter your phone number and verify it using the code Raya sent you. When setting is up, your profile, use clear and high quality photo. Avoid blurry, group photo or heavy filter. Choose photo that looks normal, confident and real. You can also link your Instagram. Raya strongly prefer applicant who link their Instagram account. Raya often approve people who seem creative, professional or unique. This could be your career, creative work, travel, music, fashion or art. Your profile so you are not a selfish. After applying, you may wait days, weeks or even months. Some people never hear back and that's normal for Raya. Avoid anyone spelling granted Raya approval. Those are scam. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.